Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the future simple tense. Future simple is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. Also, we are close to 500 subscribers. Help the channel reach that milestone. Part 1. Structure. Form. Will plus base verb. Example, I will travel to Japan next year. Negative form. Will not or won't plus base verb. Example, I will not go to the party. Question form. Will plus subject plus base verb. Example, will you come to the meeting tomorrow? Practice. Make 5 positive, 5 negative, and 5 question sentences using will. Part 2 usage. Predictions. I think it will rain tomorrow. Promises. I will help you with your homework. Offers. I will carry that for you. Decisions made at the moment. It's cold. I will close the window. Practice. Identify the type of future simple into 10 example sentences. Part 3. Time expressions. Common expressions. Tomorrow, next week, in 2 days, soon, later. Example, I will call you tomorrow. Example, she will start her new job next Monday. Mini practice. Make 5 sentences using future simple with time expressions. Part 4. Irregularities and common mistakes. Will is always followed by base verb, never past tense. Common mistake. I will went incorrect. Correct. I will go. Don't confuse future simple with going to. I am going to study versus I will study. Practice. Correct 10 incorrect sentences using future simple. Part 5 Practice conversation. Dialogue simulation using future simple. What will you do tomorrow? B. I will meet my friend, and then I will study. Will you come to the park later? B. Yes, I will join you. Audience task. Create your own 5-dialogue mini conversation using future simple. Recap key points, structure, usage, time expressions, common mistakes. Write 5 future simple sentences in the comments. Help the channel reach 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.